That perfect water droplet on a leaf? It's not just water, it's a hidden universe of liquid crystals. Surface tension molds this tiny sphere into the perfect shape, but inside, countless molecules are performing an invisible dance. Let's go deeper. Here, water molecules link through invisible hydrogen bonds, creating dynamic networks that flow and pulse like a living crystal. But wait until you see what's next. At the tiniest scale, water molecules arrange into temporary crystal structures, creating microscopic prisms that split light into rainbows, nature's hidden light show. Follow Curiosa to explore more hidden wonders. What everyday marvel should we magnify next?